Hey guys, Carl Hasten here with Transwest Trailers and wanted to take a minute to do a quick walk around of our Towmaster T-50LP that we have sitting here. This is actually a sold unit, but we have more on the way. We also have one out in Grand Junction at our other location out there. One thing I wanted to point out here at the front as we start the walk around is the pintle hitch. We're able to set it at 6 different height positions for varying heights of the trucks that are going to be carrying this trailer. Further back, we have our standard heavy-duty chains and hooks for hooking to the truck. One unique thing that I like about Towmaster is they put these glad hand holders on the side that allow you to keep them out of the mud, keep them clean, and really helps with the ease of when you're switching trailers and trucks around to keep them out of the way and keep things organized and hopefully not run over anything. Further on back, we have standard 2-speed load bearing landing gear with a tongue toolbox for plenty of area to put your chains and binders and straps in. Going back along here, we have a tow board at the front for safety, so you're not sending machines over the front of the trailer. And then moving along here, we have our standard DOT marker lights and markers going down the side. 7 D-rings per side and a 24-foot deck length. We're able to do all kinds of different variations with Towmaster, very customizable. This is just our standard stock spec that we have, but there's always an opportunity to design something else that exactly fits your needs. Going off on the wheels here, we have 215, 75, 17 and a half, 3-axle. They're spring ride air brakes. Then moving back here, we have the double brake beaver tail. Is a really cool design from Towmaster. It allows for a 14-degree load angle, and these self-cleaning girders here helps take the mud off the wheels and tracks of your equipment that you're bringing up. What's really nice about these flip ramps is they're spring assisted, both going up and coming down, so it allows the truck driver to be able to lift them up and store them just all by one person, and you're not having to grab somebody else or really worry about breaking your back doing these things. One of the nice things about Towmaster is that they offer pretty exclusive warranty on their trailers. They have a limited lifetime warranty on the frame, and that also comes along with the 1-year full warranty that you get after purchase of the trailer. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My cell phone number is 412-841-1330, and my email is carl.hasten@transwest.com. Thank you guys and have a great day, and we'll see you next time.